Okay, mine damer og herrer. Allerførst vil jeg gerne lige sige tak til Esbjerg tilskuerne. Jeg synes, I gjorde en god indsats i dag. Tak til jer, og tak til Esbjerg holdet. Mine damer og herrer, jeg vil nu give mikrofonen til vores cheftræner, Mr. Colin Todd.
Ladies and gentlemen and children, it's been a tremendous privilege for me to have been at the football club for 4 years. You've given me a lot of satisfaction, along with them players as well. And I must take the opportunity of thanking you for the tremendous support. Obviously the 4 years has been a one that I have a lot of memories, good memories, and I have to thank you people for coming out today, but not only today, the 4 years that I've been here. And you know, in England, it takes you a long time to get a knighthood. And when I came back from hospital, I got a Sir straight away, Sir Todd, which was absolutely tremendous, you know. What I will say as well, I hope you've enjoyed my time as much as I've enjoyed yours, because we've worked together, and you know, there's been some hard decisions in the football club, but I've stood up to them, and as a person I've become stronger. These players have become stronger as well, and without the players, the staff, etc., we wouldn't be here today. But you know, I can talk and talk, and I've got to say once again, tremendous admiration for yous as supporters, and I'll be watching with a lot of interest to see how the football goes in the football club. But once again, thanks very much, really appreciated by me, and I've got to say to you that there was PC and Jakob Nielsen were very influential in me coming here, and I called them the Three Musketeers. 2 left, and now the 3rd one's left. But you never know, we might be back one day. One never knows. While you give an applause to me, give applause to the players as well, please, because they have contributed. Normally when you leave a football club, you get booed, etc. But for some unknown reason, your support has been absolutely outstanding. And we've created a good atmosphere in the football club, and you know, yourselves have been part of that. And every football club needs supporters, and once again, I have to say a big thank you to all. Really appreciate it. I've enjoyed every moment, and I've got a lot of happy memories. Thank you. Thank you, buddy. Thank you. We can have a few beers now. I wish I was back playing. And this is what we call the motley crew, you know? Thank you. You know, there's a sign up there saying we miss you, and I'll miss yous as well. Thank you. Have a good evening. Always finish with a win as well, which is important. Thank you. There's one thing I have to say, which is very important, because all the proceeds, the money from today's game will go to the children's ward at the local hospital. So once again, thank you.
Kære publikum, I er velkommen til at hænge ud lidt længere. Colin Todd, han er ved at blive interviewet til TV nu. Spillernes hilser lige på. Og det er sådan en stemning, som i dag vi skal have næste sæson. Og det er også noget af det, som organisationen i Randers FC der arbejder med. Tak for i dag. Hæng ud lidt mere, nyd stemningen.